up is like a car. When the pigs try to get
your butt look dirty. I'm good.
See me, I got some new shoes.
Ay, look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen.
What up, Leah gang? Welcome back to today's video. I thought about saying your girl's been gone. I've been busy, I've been working, I've been doing my little thing, you know what I'm saying? But I'm back, so it's it. I'm not even gonna do all that talking, but we're gonna get into this video and we're gonna get it popping. Let me see how this go. So I got ketchup. Leah, why do you have ketchup? Why would you need ketchup? You don't even like ketchup. I'm about to put these on my pants. And I'm about to do, well, y'all read the title. Y'all know what I'm about to do, so I ain't gotta explain all that. But I'm about to put these on the back of my pants. I'm gonna hop on Monkey. I'm gonna let y'all see their reactions. And I'm gonna let them talk about me. Period. Because I'm dirty like that. Okay. So, I'm gonna sit y'all down, place y'all in another area or whatever, and we gonna put this on my pants. Let's go. So everything is in place. Now how I'm about to do this is, I'm about to, and excuse my shirt, I spilled something. Mess with that ketchup. How I'm about to do it is, I have the camera down here. I'm gonna get on them. I'm gonna talk to them, be like, what's up, how you doing, what's your name, whoop de whoop. And I'm gonna get up and be like, out of my jacket, hold up. And then I'm gonna just walk. And they gonna be like, bitch, you got blood on your pants? We about to just get into the video. I'm so scared. I'm so scared, bro. Like, I'm so legit scared. Like, okay. You're not about to do all that. We're about to screen record. We're about to get into the video. Okay, basically, I got the monkey acted up. We're gonna get up into this video, see how they react or whatever, or what's not. Me skipping me. Bitch, I just gonna skip me, huh? This ketchup starting to feel a little weird. They don't even know. You know what? Hold it, Leah. Hold it. Hold it. Hello. Hello.
I was really to get off Monkey.
What y'all doing?
Then I saw your fine ass.
You what?
I was about to get off Monkey, but then I saw your beautiful ass.
Oh, thank you. Y'all wanna see me dance?
Yeah, sure. She said you want to see her dance. Oh no. I'm sending this to a mirror, best believe that.
What's wrong?
I just told you you got a stain in the sun. I don't know if it's poop, I don't know if it's...
Baby, it ain't nothing. Don't come for me. I don't poop on myself. Poop like I'm a little kid or something. What you got on? Hello?
She bad as shit, bro. What's poppin'?
Hello, what's poppin'?
Yeah, what's up? Where you from?
I'm from Houston.
Anton. How you doing? Where you from? Houston?
Mm-hmm.
What part?
Southwest.
Oh shit, she got an attitude. That bipolar.
Nah.
Oh no, I like that. I like that little.
Y'all want to see me dance?
Oh nah, cause I want you to talk back when we fucking.
All right, let me dance for y'all real quick.
What the? Yeah, I'm fucking weak. Bro, on Sunday then, bro. Fucking geeks. I'm about to screenshot this bitch. Ain't worry about it, for real. She snapped for real. You done dancing yet? You went off. What made you do that?
No, stop playing with y'all. It's a YouTube video that y'all in now.
You snapped. Yeah, you snapped with that one. Was that supposed to be period blood or shit?
It's supposed to be blood.
You like shit. You like you shit on yourself, no cap.
Bye.
Deuces.
Baby, I got a little time. Whew. I don't know if I can do all that. Terrell, Damien. Hello.
That's good.
Hello. How y'all doing?
Those are real honest.
No.
They not.
Y'all want to see me dance real quick?
Do what dance?
I'm about to dance.
What kind of dance?
I'm about to twerk.
This for the YouTube or something? I got a
No.
girlfriend. I can't watch. I got a girlfriend. Yep, that is you. Bitch. So you could be on YouTube exposed, bro. You tripping? Yo, this stuff for YouTube. I'm not looking at that jump. That's I got a reporter, bro. She out of here.
He's talking about she out of here. I'm dead. Oh my god, I got hair on my face, y'all. I'm over here sweating a little bit. Ooh. Hello? Hello?
Yeah, mine are beautiful.
Hello. At Tom. How y'all doing?
Good.
Okay. I'm good.
Put them back. Oh.
You wanna see me? You wanna see me twerk for you?
Yeah, this is cute.
You wanna see me twerk for you?
Look at the camera. His shirts are cute.
Thank you. Do you wanna see me twerk for you?
What?
I'm about to twerk. Alright?
That's his choice. What the? He got a sign there. Oh. He got dookie hair draws.
What you say?
You got dookie on your pants.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
There you go.
Boy, you just...
Go take a shower.
I don't have no dookie in my pants.
Go take a shower. Ew. No. Okay. Go.
These are my... No. No, ma'am. Ooh, baby. When I tell y'all, this hair... Hello?
Hey.
Hey, at Tom, y'all want to see me dance?
Sure.
All right, bet.
Hey. Yo, what flavor is that? That smells good.
Huh?
What flavor is that?
What are you talking about?
What flavor?
What flavor of what?
Flavor of everything.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Hard, drop it like it's hard. Let's try to get it. Drop it like it's hard.
Why are you moaning?
What?
Why are you moaning?
With the shit stain.
I don't... Let me adjust this camera for y'all a little bit better, because, man, let me tell you. Y'all need to see it all. All right. Hello? Hello? Okay. Baby, it's a lot hot. Hello? Hi.
What are you getting into?
Nothing at time. What you do? Okay, bitch. I said at time. Means at time. Whew, Lord, people get on my nerves. Trying to adjust y'all where y'all can see everything. Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
What's up, son?
At time. I'm going to show you my dance moves I just learned.
You just learned?
Yeah.
Alright, what's the dance move?
Let me show you.
Yo! You got shit in your butt.
I got what?
You got... No, go ahead. Do what you need to do, God.
Oh. You show?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, fuck it up. You heard me? Yo,
It's for a YouTube video.
It's what?
For a YouTube video.
Oh, I'm about to be on YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, boy, you gotta send me the link now.
Bet. I got you. I'm gonna follow you.
Alright, bet.
He talking about fuck it up. Okay, that was funny. He wasn't supposed to say no, fuck it up. Okay, so the screen recording was tripping. I don't know what was wrong with it. I think I got too much stuff in my phone, so it didn't last a long time. But I'm gonna most definitely do another one of these. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, shout your girl out on Instagram at Thing for Aaliyah. Also shout out this YouTube channel, Aaliyah Lachey. I'm gonna put it down in the description below. Lighting is terrible right here, but it's okay. Yeah. So.
Ay.